Welcome back to Channel V8X, where luxury meets performance, and the future of driving comes alive. If you love premium cars, cutting-edge design, and real American-style road presence, make sure you subscribe to Channel V8X, because today we're bringing you something truly special. This is the Toyota Crown 2026, finished in a stunning deep maroon burgundy color. A sedan that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. From the very first glance, the front view commands attention. The bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and wide stance give the Toyota Crown 2026 a powerful, confident face. This isn't just design, it's authority on the road. The maroon paint reflects light beautifully, adding a premium depth that feels expensive and refined. Slide over to the side view, and the Crown shows its true elegance. The flowing body lines, aerodynamic profile, and large alloy wheels create a perfect balance between luxury and sport. From this angle, the Crown looks long, low, and planted, exactly how a modern American-inspired luxury sedan should feel. Now let's talk about the back view, and this is where the Crown turns heads. The sleek LED tail lights, sculpted rear design, and sporty exhaust detailing give it a bold, upscale finish. At night, this rear profile looks absolutely dramatic, glowing with confidence and class. Step inside, and the dashboard view takes the experience to another level. Premium materials, a digital cockpit, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout make the interior feel like a high-end lounge on wheels. Everything is clean, modern, and designed for comfort, whether you're cruising the highway or stuck in city traffic. Under the hood, the engine view reveals Toyota's smart hybrid engineering. It's built for smooth power, impressive efficiency, and long-term reliability. This is performance you can trust, quiet when you want comfort, responsive when you want excitement. Now imagine a drone view, the Toyota Crown 2026 in maroon gliding through an open road or cityscape. From above, its proportions look perfectly balanced, modern, and premium. This car was designed to look good from every angle, and it absolutely delivers. On the highway, the Crown feels confident and composed. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and the car feels made for long American roads. And when the sun goes down, the night shot transforms the Crown into a rolling piece of art. Headlights cutting through the dark, reflections dancing on the maroon paint, pure luxury in motion. Now the big question, price. While exact figures may vary by market, the Toyota Crown 2026 is expected to start around the mid-$40,000 range, making it a strong value in the premium hybrid sedan segment, especially considering its design, technology, and comfort. This isn't just a car. It's a statement. It's the Toyota Crown 2026. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one.